Imagine walking into your workshop tomorrow, and every tool, every machine, every system already knows what needs to be done. That's not science fiction anymore. By 2025, over 30 billion devices will be connected to the Internet of Things, fundamentally changing how we design, build, and automate. Right now, 99% of electronic devices operate in isolation. Think about that. Almost every actuator, sensor, and controller you work with today is essentially blind to the world around it. But IoT is changing this at breakneck speed, and motion control sits right at the heart of this transformation. Here's what this means for engineers and designers. IoT isn't just about connecting devices to the internet. It's about creating intelligent systems where linear actuators, sensors, and processors work together autonomously. Picture a manufacturing line where actuators don't just move on command, but predict maintenance needs, optimize their own performance, and coordinate with other systems without human intervention. This shift impacts every aspect of technical design. Your next project might involve actuators that self-diagnose problems before they fail, or motion control systems that learn from usage patterns and adjust their behavior accordingly. Even simple applications like automated doors or adjustable desks become part of larger, intelligent networks that respond to real-time conditions. The companies leading this charge are developing actuators specifically engineered for IoT integration, with built-in communication modules and smart controllers. These aren't just incremental improvements. They represent a fundamental rethinking of how motion control fits into connected systems. Whether you're designing industrial automation, consumer products, or anything in between, understanding IoT-ready motion control is becoming essential. Find the link in the description below to read the full article.